Dropped it? He's swimming towards you. Hey, hey. The thing. Hit along the thing. Oh, Spanish hit the gar on the... And I was reeling it in. Running towards me. Don't know how good of a one he is. I think he's just a schoolie sort of size. Going down deep. What's yours like, Clifford?
I'm a sharky.
Shark mackerel?
Yeah. You with the bait?
Yeah. You good? Oh, look out! Oh, I think we've just crossed lines. Oh no, I just got it. Oh no, fuck. Oh wow. He's, oh no, I think I'm a sharky too. Yep. Oh no. Fucking things. Good shark mackerel, eh? No. Fucking shark mackerel. Oh, get off you fucking dog.
I'm freezing here.
Oh, you're off.
That's what I came right there.
Oh, I didn't think you'd come on. Keep him for bait. Do you reckon just the one for bait? Yeah, go on then. Oh, here, I've got it in my hand. I'm like, get the pliers, gun. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on, mate. He definitely wasn't getting off, Clifford. Don't bite me, you cunt. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god! Come on, mate. Try again. I'm good, but not great. How are you? Fucking Macko's under the boat. You haven't got a jig on, have you?